Hello students, this is class 6 geometry exercise 16. In the last class we have studied till question number 7, this is question number 8. So in number 8 this question is given. In the given figure, PA perpendicular AB, QB perpendicular AB and PA equal to QB. We have to prove triangle OAP, this triangle OAP congruent triangle OBQ and then OA equal to OB. So let us start. So first of all write given whatever it is given in the question. So it is given what? PA perpendicular AB, then QB perpendicular AB and then PA equal to QB. We have to prove what? RTP means what we have to prove? Triangle OAP, this triangle OAP congruent triangle OBQ, this triangle OBQ, and we have to prove OA equal to OB. So let us start. So first of all, as I told you, first of all we will write the name of the triangle which we have to prove congruent. So in triangle OAP, this triangle, and triangle OBQ, this triangle. So let's start. So angle PAO, this angle equals to angle QBO. Now why these two angles are equal? Because they are each 90 degree. Okay, then angle POA, this angle equal to angle BOQ, this angle. Now why these two are equal? Because they are vertically opposite angles. As I have told you, vertically opposite angles are equal. So two things we got, one more thing we require, and it is PA equals to QB. Now why PA equal to QB? Because it is given in the question. Okay, so PA equal to QB, why? Because it is given in the question. So three things we got equal. So therefore triangle OAP congruent triangle OBQ, and criteria angle side. Why? Because this is angle and this is side. So angle side. So these two triangles are now proved congruent, and then OA equal to OB. Reason will be CPCT. As I told you, when the triangles are proved congruent, then we can take its parts equal, and reason will be CPCT. So this is all about question number 8. Now question number 10. In the adjoining figure, this is our figure. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. That means AB equal to AC. It is given in the question. If E and F be the midpoints of AC and AB, that means E is the midpoint of AC, midpoints means half, and F is the midpoint of AB. Okay, F is the midpoint of AB, midpoint is half. Okay, now what we have to prove? Prove that BE equals to CF. So let us start. So first of all write a given is ABC is an isosceles triangle, and it is also given AB equal to AC, and it is given E is the midpoint of AC and F is the midpoint of AB. This portion is given in the question. What is our RTP? BE equal to CF. BE, this line, equal to this one, CF. So first of all we have to do some solution. So AB equal to AC, it is given in the question. AB equal to AC, it is given in the question. Now see, midpoint is given. Midpoint means half. So half means 1 by 2. Therefore half AB equal to half AC, dividing by 2 both sides. So this side also I have divided by 2, and this side also I have divided by 2. So reason I have written dividing by 2 both sides. Now half AB means half of AB. So half of AB means what? AF, because F is the midpoint. So half of AB means AF, and half of AC means AE. Why? Because E is the midpoint. So AF equals to AE. AF equals to AE. Half AB means AB half. So AB half is how much? This much. So AF and half AC. So half AB AC means what? Half of AC means AE. So AE. So AE. Now we will start to prove. So which triangles I have taken? Triangle BAE. This triangle. BAE. This triangle. BAE. And triangle CAF. This triangle. CAF. So CAF. Now we will find three things equal. First is our AB equal to AC. Why? Because it is given in the question. AB equal to AC given in the question. Then angle BAE. BAE, this angle, okay, equal to angle CAF. CAF, again this angle. Now see, in both the triangle this angle is coming. That means this angle is common. So reason will be common. And last one, AE equal to AF. Why? Because AE equal to AF we have proved above. So three things we got equal, 1, 2 and 3. So therefore triangle BAE congruent triangle CAF, and reason will be side angle side. Why? Because this is side, this is angle, and this is side. So side angle side. And B equal to CF. So this triangle we have proved congruent. So B from this triangle I have taken, and again this triangle I have proved congruent. So from here CF I have taken. So B equal to CF, and reason will be CP CT. So this is about question number 10. Now I have solved some of the sums, and your homework is to complete this chapter. Thank you.